Beta-alanine is a hot supplement in the fitness world, and here's why it's so popular. First off, what exactly is beta-alanine? Beta-alanine is a non-essential amino acid, which means our body can produce it naturally. However, when it comes to boosting performance, a little extra can go a long way. Instead of helping build proteins, beta-alanine combines with another amino acid called histidine to create carnosine. This carnosine is stored in your muscles. Now, why does this matter? Well, carnosine plays a crucial role during exercise by reducing the accumulation of lactic acid in your muscles. This helps you perform better and longer. So, how does beta-alanine work in your body? Normally, our muscles have high levels of histidine but low levels of beta-alanine. This limits the production of carnosine. However, when you take beta-alanine supplements, it boosts carnosine levels in your muscles by up to 80%. Here's the science in action. During high-intensity exercise, your body breaks down glucose for energy. This process produces lactic acid, which turns into lactate and hydrogen ions, making your muscles acidic. It is this acidity that leads to fatigue. But carnosine acts as a buffer, reducing muscle acidity and letting you go harder for longer. Let's talk about the benefits of athletic performance and strength. Beta-alanine is a game changer for reducing fatigue and boosting endurance, especially in high-intensity exercises. Studies show it can increase your time to exhaustion or TTE, meaning you can exercise longer without feeling burnt out. For example, cyclists who took beta-alanine for 4 weeks completed 13% more work. In another study, rowers improved their 2,000-meter race times by over 4 seconds after 7 weeks of supplementation. Beta-alanine isn't just for long sessions either. It's super effective for short, intense bursts of activities like HIIT workouts. Plus, it has some promising benefits for body composition as well. Some studies suggest beta-alanine can help increase lean muscle mass by boosting your training volume and promoting muscle growth. Although, the evidence is mixed. And there's more. Beta-alanine has other health perks as well. Carnosine, produced by beta-alanine, has antioxidant properties, which means it helps fight off free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. It might even have anti-aging and immune-boosting benefits. For older adults, carnosine can enhance muscle quality and function, helping maintain strength and endurance as you age. In summary, beta-alanine can enhance performance and endurance, reduce fatigue, improve body composition, provide antioxidant benefits. So, if you're looking to up your fitness game, beta-alanine might be just what you are looking for. Beta-alanine, other than found solitarily as a supplement, is also commonly mixed into multi-ingredient pre-workout supplements. So, have you tried beta-alanine before? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to follow us for more fitness tips and tricks.